Well, this is it. The two opening batsmen.
Driven away, beautiful hands. Oh, what a shot. Save your legs.
Time. Wow. You can see there's a...
Oh, fine legs in play. Fine legs in play.
Greeted by Jason.
Changing any time.